Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to buy Dogecoin using the BitPay app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the BitPay app. Then you have two ways to buy cryptos on BitPay. You can either go to buy crypto or just choose the crypto that you want to buy at the bottom of the screen at the exchange rates section. As you can see, they have 6 coins right now available on the side. And to buy Dogecoin, you just have to tap on the Dogecoin icon. Here you can see the volatility, the price changes of Dogecoin in the last 1 day, 1 week, or 1 month. And then if you choose to buy this coin, you just tap on the buy Dogecoin. And here you can type in the amount of money that you want to invest in Dogecoin. You can buy any amount, and you can even change the currency that you use. You can use almost any currency that you wish. They have quite a lot of currencies available, so I'm sure that you will find one that is appropriate for you. Then just type in the amount of currency. Then when you tap on next, you will see all the details of your transaction. And you can pay with Apple Pay. And that's pretty much it. You will receive your cryptos on your BitPay wallet, and you can use it to pay with your BitPay debit card, or you can hold your crypto and wait for the value to increase, or you can exchange them, and pretty much anything. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.